Hi all, I am K. Surya, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of ECE, SNS College of Technology. So in this video, let us see about wireless personal area networks. So before going into the concept of wireless personal area networks, we need to know about why we need to go for wireless personal area networks. So it is in the real world situations, such as users struggling to switch the earbuds between the devices when transmitting from work to home environments. So it becomes a problem and the connection gets disconnected. So they also say in engaging the elderly users about the medical WPAN devices to uncover the deeper insights regarding the setup, anxiety, and complex technology usability hurdles. So identifying the core user motivations, specifically the desire for invisible technologies that integrate seamlessly into their lives without any interruption. So, because of this, we need a technology that transmits the data very smoothly without any interruptions. So, based on this, we are translating the user pain points into the technical challenges. So, the core insight here is to prioritize the intent-based connectivity and to shift to the contextual awareness. The point of view here is the handover without any manual input. Automatically, data has to be get exchanged. So we have to design a system which automatically transfers the data without any interruptions. Uh, so next we'll see the fundamentals of wireless personal area networks. So actually, WPAN uh, is a personal area network where the interconnected devices are centered around a person's workplace and connected through wireless medium. That's why it's also called as persons centered short range wireless connectivity. Typically, the range is within about 10 meters. Means very short range. Plugging in is one of the key concepts in WPAN, as within a close proximity, WPAN equipped devices communicate with each other as like they are connected through a cable. So unlike WLAN, where there is a requirement of an infrastructure setup, in WPAN connection involves little or no infrastructure. Uh, in general, if we will see the WPAN provides a power efficient and inexpensive solutions to be implemented for a wide range of devices within a short range distance. As in WPAN, mostly the connections between these devices happens within the building uh, or in a room, say short range. So let's take an example of an Wi-Fi connection through which two friends are chatting, sharing the documents with each other in a room. Some more examples include wireless mouse, wearable devices, USB flash drives, digital cameras, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, thermostats, security systems, lightning controls, motion sensors, and leak sensors, etc. So next we'll see about the key characteristics of WPAN. So it is operates over a very short range, typically within few meters to a few tens of meters. The limited range is intended to serve devices in close proximity, and also many technologies, WPAN technologies are designed to be energy efficient, making them suitable for battery operated devices and applications where conserving power is very important. So WPANs are often referred to as personal area networks because they are intended to serve the personal space of an individual. So this can be include communication between the devices like smartphones, tablets, wearables, and other personal devices. WPANs usually facilitate peer-to-peer communication between the devices, allowing them to exchange data directly without the need of a intermediate infrastructure. Also, they are used in a wide range of applications, including wireless audio streaming, wireless printing, wireless mouse, and more. WPAN can operate on various frequency bands, including 2.4 gigahertz ISM band and other licensed frequency ranges, depending on the technology being used. There are several standardized WPAN technologies, each with its own characteristics and use cases. Some examples include Bluetooth, Zigbee, Z-Wave, and near field communication. So, due to the short range, WPANs can be susceptible to interference from other devices operating on the same frequency band. Proper channel selection and coexistence mechanisms are important to ensure reliable communication. Also, they are designed for short range communication. So, some technologies such as Zigbee and Z-Wave support mesh networking, allowing devices to relay the data across a network of devices, thus extending the coverage area. So next, WPAN is classified into three classes as per the IEEE. There is high rate WPAN. So it is defined as IEEE 802.15.3 standard. So data throughput is greater than 20 Mbps here. Next one is medium rate WPAN. So it is defined as IEEE 802.15.1. The data throughput is 1 Mbps here. And finally is the low rate WPAN, where it is defined as IEEE 802.15.4 standard. So data throughput is less than 0.25 megabits per second. So next one we see about the WPAN network topologies. As mostly use of the WPAN is within the short range, so it's mainly used for general purpose users and with little industrial requirements. So implementations with support below the network connectivity arrangements. So it is network topologies used here as star mesh and cluster tree topology. So where the star topology central hub will connect all the devices in the WPAN, and in the mesh topology the devices are connected directly, forming a robust network, and in cluster tree topology hierarchical structure will be followed. So next one is diverse applications of WLAN. So where it is used in say consumer electronics, in wireless keyboards, printers, gaming controllers, wireless headsets, etc. And also it is used in wearable technologies like smartwatches, fitness trackers, health monitoring sensors, like heart rate monitors, glucose monitors, which rely on Bluetooth low energy to transmit the data to the smartphones. Also, it is used in smart home and building automation. Technologies like Zigbee and Thread connect smart lighting, thermostats, and security cameras, allowing centralized control. So, on body or in body sensors for patient monitoring securely send the data to nearby receivers, enabling remote tracking of vital signs. And WPANs facilitate file transfers between the devices, such as transferring photos between the phones or laptops, and it's also used in industrial applications. So, handle scanners in retail or logistics as well as field tools use WPAN for short range communications. So next one, advantages and disadvantages of WPAN. So it is advantages are low power consumption. It's very easy to install and it's very cost effective. And portability and mobility is a greater advantage here. And it's used for short range. So security also is very good and it has flexible connectivity. So disadvantages include very limited range, low data rate, and it has some interference issues, and security concerns are there somehow, and limited device capabilities and reliability issues are also there in WPAN. So hope you understood the basics. So we saw here about the fundamentals, the key characteristics and the classifications. Also we saw about the three different types of topologies that are used in WPAN and several diverse applications and its advantages and disadvantages. So let us take up some assessment questions. So which technology is considered as a high rate WPAN? So the answer is wireless HD. Next one is in WPAN terminology, what is the small network of connected devices known as? The answer is Piconet. Thank you for watching this video.